Hey, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss about the truthy and the falsy values in JavaScript. In JavaScript, each and every variable with a particular value is associated with a truthy or a falsy value. So what exactly do I mean by the truthy or the falsy values? Okay, so let's figure out. So now let me just define a variable. Let user equals to John. Okay, and here what I'll do, I'll check if user, and then I will just console log we have a user, else console log we do not have a user. Okay, so as you can see, after saving it, this file, basically we have a user here. Why is that? We are not comparing the user to anything, right? But still this user is evaluated as true. Why is that? Because the user is containing the string which is John. Okay, so this user is not particularly true, right? So if I just do something like this, true, then we will have the same thing, right? We have a user. The user variable is not true, but because it is containing the string John, it has a truthiness to it. Okay, so in the context of this comparison inside of the if statement, this user ultimately evaluated as true. Okay, so this string has the truthy value. Okay, now for example, if I just do something like this, an empty string, then as you can see, we do not have a user. So the empty string has the falsy value. Okay, so each and every value inside of JavaScript is associated or has a truthiness or falsiness to it. All right, so now which values are truthy and which values are falsy? So most of the values in JavaScript are truthy. Okay, but there are the falsy values here as well, which I will write it down inside of the comments. First of all, the false itself. Okay, so I can show it to you. So false, as you can see, we do not have a user. All right, then 0. So if I just do user equals to 0, then once again we do not have a user. So let me just add the comment falsy values. Okay, then we have the negative 0. Okay, so let's do something like this, comma negative 0, and also the big int 0, which is 0n. Okay, these are all the falsy 0 values. Okay, then we have the empty string of this one, or the single quotes, okay, or the template literals. Okay, the empty string. Then the falsy value is null. Okay, so if I just do something like user equal to null, then it is a falsy value. Okay, then we have the falsy value which is undefined. All right, so if I just do undefined, okay, so that will be falsy values as well. And then we have the not a number, not this one, NaN, not a number. Okay, so NaN. All right, so as you can see, we do not have a user. All right, so these are all of the falsy values in JavaScript, and the values except for these ones, all of them has the truthy value. For example, if I just add the empty string with a space here, as you can see, we have a user. If I just add something like 1, we have a user. Also, if I just do something like this, false inside of the quotes, we still have the user because this false string is truthy. Okay, the string is not empty. All right. Then the other thing which I can do here is something like this one, the John. Okay, so it is truthy. All right. So this is all of the list of the falsy values. You do not have to memorize it. Whenever you have to look into the falsy values in JavaScript, you can just search for it in Google. Okay. All right. So I hope that makes sense. So all of the values in JavaScript has the truthiness and falsiness associated with them. So all of these values, the false, zero, empty string, null, undefined, and nan, has the falsy value associated with them. And all of the other things, other values inside of the JavaScript has the truthy value associated with them. And that is why when we are using the conditional here and we are not comparing anything, right, inside of this parenthesis, but still this thing, this user variable in our case, is basically evaluated as a true or false value under the hood. Okay, and it depends on the truthy and the falsy value which is associated with the user variable. I hope that makes sense. So in this video, we have learned about the truthy and the falsy values in JavaScript.